just one product gave me this. Watch to the end. I will show you the product and I will tell you how, so you can also start up and achieve this in no distance time. Alright, so I sold a product for 13,800 on my pre-order group. So mainly I sold it for 8,800, 13,800. The person chatted me up and bought 50 pieces. 50 pieces. Now, and guess what? It arrived. The person collected what they call it now. The person paid shipping fee, we share shipping fee of 4,000. Now let's calculate it. I'll also be calculating on my screen. 13,800. All right, minus, let's say, okay, the person 13,800, the shipping fee 4,000. So that means total of 17,800 naira. Please, if you have a pen and paper, just write it down so you see what I'm saying. I'm opening someone's eyes right now. So 17,800. Now it's arrived. Then market price of this product is 50,000 naira. Market price of this product is 50,000 naira. So now she said, no, I don't want to sell mine for 50,000 naira because that is market price. I want to sell my own cheaper. So that is business strategy. I want to sell my own cheaper so that people can rush it, because when they rush it, I'll be able to get my money in bulk and get another. So now 17,800, that was the cost. That's the landing cost now, is 17,800. So she decided to sell her own for 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira minus 17,800. Are you following the calculation? 40,000 naira she sold her own minus 17,800, which is the landing cost. She will have the profit. Profit now is 22,200 naira for one of these products. 22,200 naira for one of these products. Then she sold 50 pieces. 22,200 naira times 50 pieces, guys. Look at it on my screen. She made over 1M just for a product. Just for a product. She did not buy plenty. Just for a product. When I heard this, I said, no. I need to come to my community, because you know me now, I like bringing good things to ginger somebody. You think, hey God, I was so shocked. I said, look at this, look at just look at the mindset, look at it, creativity. So if you're watching me now, it's time for you to get this result. Yes, at the end of this video, I'll also be telling you, in case some of you say, hey, she has money to buy, she has money to buy. What of if you don't have money to buy? At the end of this video, I'll be telling you how to get it, even if you don't have one kobo. Even if you don't have one kobo, I'll also tell you how to achieve this result. So hit the like button, watch till the end. All right, so now that was how she got this amount. No stress, no jiggy, no carrying of vibes. No, she got it. So it's super amazing. Now, what is the product? I know so many will say, what? I want to see this product. I want to see this product now. Look at the product. No, I'm not joking. Look at the product. Power bank. See, when you're talking about importation, you need to bring things in. You just need, it's not about you bringing things in. You need to import something that solves problems. Something that when it just lands like this, it's out. You don't need to start packing. That's why I said research. I keep saying, I said it in my previous videos. I know I mentioned power bank. So some persons who was looking at me, are you sure this is what she's saying? And some persons picked that, and you look at amazing results. So, and I'm sure I'm also talking to someone. Yes, power bank. You see this power 50,000 mAh power bank, and this one is tested and trusted. There are some persons that when you get the power bank like this, there are some suppliers you get power bank from. Oh my God, it will charge phone up to 50%. It's off. Yes, I mean, I've heard so many importers saying they bought power bank, and before you know what's happening, their customers are complaining. But this one, I've bought over 500, yes, 200 pieces, and no single complaint. Pictures, customers keep recommending, let's run it again, let's run it again, let's run it again. So now, in case you don't have, the cash to buy as the way she did, you can still cash out and get that. How do you do that? I run a pre-order bulk group. In this pre-order bulk group, what do? We collectively buy things at mouth-watering price. All right, and you don't even need capital. Do you know why I say you don't need capital? You watching me now, so many of my group members are doing it. You just create your WhatsApp group, click on the description icon, you will see my group link. Join my pre-order group. I have started a new batch. What do? You just create your own WhatsApp group. Give it a business name. As you're watching me now, start thinking the business name. You can change it later on, but start. Give it a business name, and you start putting in members. Yes, you can start with your friends and families. You can post in different WhatsApp groups that you are. How will you have your phone and you're not cashing out with it? No, now post in different group members that you group listing that you have. Even if the group does not accept links, you can use write-up. Cash it right up. Do you know you can get this so price? They'll tell you, wow, if you're interested, DM me. You gather crowd. Now I'm not talking about Facebook ads, because you say, where is the capital to do that? I'm telling you now, you don't need money to get this. You gather crowd, put in the group. I have started a new batch. Don't waste time. Don't miss this opportunity. Once I post, for instance, I post this power bank now for 13.8. You can post your own. I have so many of them posting for 20,000 naira. So many are posting on their group for 20k. I'm posting for 13.8. So many. This one won't be a joke. I've seen someone even posted for 25k, and it's worth it. 20k. Now 20k minus that 13.8 that I posted, roughly you are getting 6,200 naira without you using your money. Then if you now get like more than, the higher quantity you get is the higher profit you make. And remember, this is not the only product posted. Other products will be posted. I've seen so many testimonies. I'll be putting them on the comment section. So as a comment, I'll be putting the testimonies on my screen, so you will see that I'm not blabbing. So many testimonies about members that have joined and they are cashing out. Let me stop here. I don't want to do this video to be too long. If you've watched so far and you've not liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you've watched so far and you are still thinking, I am still saying that you're broke, I am still saying it, audience okay. Auntie, uncle, don't let me talk to you. Start up and cash out and come to my comment section. I just love to hear those good news on my comment section. See you in my next video. Write comments, the one the one you've researched and you want to start. Write it on the comment section. And another video you want me to make, write on the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.